Good morning everybody, it's Monday the 7th of September today and it's a bit of a inclement morning, and here are two of my pals. We're going to try and do our first beach clean after lockdown. So I've got my mask ready for the event, and the swoosh swoosh noise that you can hear is my waterproof trousers, aka Charlie the Clown, because it's been raining on and off, wouldn't you know, since the crack of dawn, and it's the only day this week that it's forecast to rain. So us early birds are going to go and get organised for a socially distanced event this morning, ready for our volunteers to come back for the first time to the Russell Beach Residents and Community Group monthly beach clean event. So this is the first one that we will have done since, I think the last one was February, although we've had lone beach cleaners going out in between, so people have managed to keep an eye on the beach and keep it clean and tidy. So oh goodness me, it looks like they're already organised and set up. So we've got a three-step system. You sign for your track and trace first, then you sign for your equipment, because we're going to give kit to the regulars so that we're reducing contact, and then you pick your kit up and then you go onto the beach. So bish bash bosh, we shall, oh goodness, listen to the wind, look at the flag, and that's before we start. Good morning everybody! Well, so far so good. We've managed to get pairs more or less separate from pairs. It's blowing an absolute gale, so I think any germs are going to get blown away quite cheerfully today. So we've got Keith and Brenda doing the signing for the track and trace, and this couple together, and then Liz at the next bench in orange is doing the sign up for the equipment, and I'm standing here trying to make everybody start at the beginning with signing the track and trace form. So far so good, it's just very windy. The wind went from bad to worse, so I just abandoned trying to take a video and put some photographs together at the end once I got back into the warm and dry, to show you kind of what we do on an event like this. So we all totaled off onto the beach once we'd gone through the process and got our bags and equipment. You can see in this next photo how the wind blows your bag and you need to keep your litter in it. So it went quite well for our first socially distanced event. We all managed to keep away from one another and smile for the camera. So all in all, we managed to collect 21 bags of rubbish. There's still more on the beach. It looks clean, but there's still more to pick up. So it went off quite well, and we've done a good job between us on a really awful morning, and just managed to get done in time for the rain to start. So come back next time, everybody.